Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So I'm sure you guys are all excited because today we are going to be unboxing the September Petit Vour Box. So I always take a look at it and make sure I try and test out some of the products beforehand and also look at what makeup products are in there so I can apply them for you guys. And let me just say, when I opened this month's box, I was really excited. I was like, this is a good box. And so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So let's just jump right in. I'm gonna start off with the product that excited me the most. And this is the Axiology lip crayon. And I have the shade Enduring. I was so excited to see this because I've been contemplating for a couple of months now purchasing one of the Axiology lip crayons. I've reached a conclusion recently that I really like lip crayons in general, and I'd been thinking about maybe doing a comparison of all the different lip crayons I had tried, and this is a well-known, well-loved lip crayon, so I was contemplating purchasing this to also try and include in that video. So when I saw this in my box, I was excited. And the value of this lip crayon alone is $26, so it's already over the value of the box. So definitely an awesome product. Just the packaging of the box alone is beautiful. It's kind of this triangular shape and it's got this gold and white and black. And what I also appreciate too is this packaging is made entirely from recycled paper and it was handmade by women artisans. And this of course is a vegan, cruelty-free, all natural lipstick. So let's just jump right in and try it on. So this is what the crayon actually looks like. It's got this gold metal packaging and it's got a cap to protect it. And what I like about this particularly is it is a twist up lip crayon. So down here you can just twist the packaging and then you'll, the lip crayon will go up, so you'll get more lip crayon. And I like that because I don't have to sharpen it, so that's a really nice feature of this lip crayon in general. So the shade looks very beautiful, very fall appropriate, so let's just try it on and see what it looks like. Okay, so far I'm very impressed. It was really creamy, really easy to apply on, and the color is beautiful. I would say it's kind of a dark pink, almost red. So it's kind of in between that red and pink shade, and I think this is the perfect fall color. It's a nice take. It's not a vampy purple, but it definitely looks very fall. I'm excited to see how this wears on my lips throughout the day because it's very comfortable on right now. One of the reasons I love lip crayons is they tend to be more of a long wearing formula. I'll be interested to put this to the test and see how it wears on me throughout the day. Obviously, I will try it out this month, and then in my October Petit Vour Box unboxing, I will of course give you a review of all the products in this month's box, and so I will update you and let you know how the wear time of this is. So far so good. And this does have a citrus scent to it, but it's fading pretty rapidly. Like I could smell it as I was applying the lip crayon, but I'm not smelling it as much now. I actually really like that because it's unusual. Like most lip products are kind of minty, floral, or fruity, like fruity as in berry normally. And so it's kind of nice to have a citrus scent. I love citrus. I grew up in Florida. I also will be a citrus lover, but I kind of like that. It's a different take. I think, yeah, Clove and Hello also has a bit more of a citrus scent to their lip products as well, but so far so good. Definitely loving the color. Let me know if you've tried these out and if you have, what you think. The next product I was excited to see in this box was a body butter, and this is from Andalou Naturals, and it says new on it. I know that Andalou Naturals has been kind of repackaging, reformulating some of their products, so I think this is one of the things that they were working on. This is a Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. And of course, you can see this is a pretty small one, so this is a sample size, and this is valued at $2. And I've been trying this out, and I really like it. First off, one of the things that impressed me about this body lotion is the first ingredient was aloe. So if you are a fan of aloe, products containing aloe, this is the first ingredient listed on this body butter is aloe. So it's a very nourishing, very hydrating formula. And part of why I love this is the scent. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, my husband thinks it smells like vanilla. I think it smells like a sugar cookie. It smells like something you bake. I really like that scent, especially moving into fall. Like, I really like vanilla scents, and this definitely kind of is leaning towards that direction. I guess it also does smell a bit to me like the Pacifica SPF 50 spray sunscreen that I love. They both have a vanilla sweet scent to them, so it reminds me of that a little bit, but I really like this, and I've used this a couple times. It's thick. It is definitely a thick lotion. Here, I'll show you here. You know, it's not runny, but you can definitely get it rubbed in, as you can see here. I have to say it's not quite as easy to rub in as my Zumbody body lotion, but I definitely have an easier time rubbing this in than something like the Acure body lotion. I've been using the Acure body lotion as like a drugstore body lotion, but I would purchase this one from Andalou Naturals over the Acure. And they're similar in price point. I don't know what exactly off the top of my head what the price of this Andalou Naturals body butter is, but I know in terms of the price point, they're typically similar, so I would much rather go with this. I've found it to be really hydrating, to sink in well. I've been putting it on my legs, and I have it on right now. Actually, my legs feel super hydrated, super smooth, super soft. So I definitely am liking this. So if you're in the market for a body lotion, like, this is very good. And I think especially moving into fall and winter, as it starts getting cooler, the air gets a little drier, having products like this on hand are really nice because your skin's gonna get dry. And this is definitely something I think that will be really nourishing and really helpful. So I am really liking this, looking forward to using it throughout the rest of the month. And this is something I can already tell that I am very likely to purchase a full size of. Next up, we got samples of the Evolve H Ultra Shine shampoo and conditioner. And the value of these is $5. I have actually tried the Evolve H Ultra Shine shampoo and conditioner before. In fact, I had these little sample sizes that I had gotten from Credo Beauty, and I'd been using them when I was traveling, and I had a little bit left in each one. So I actually used them on my hair this morning. So I freshly washed my hair. This is clean hair for me. And I did use the shampoo and conditioner exclusively. I haven't put any other product in. I only use the shampoo and conditioner because I wanted you to see what my hair looks like using these products. And I did go ahead and heat style it. So I did blow dry it a bit and then straighten it a little bit as well. So I've been using these on and off, like, as I was traveling for a couple months now. I think the first time I used them was back in February. Even though these bottles aren't huge, you actually do get a fair amount of use out of them. It's not my favorite shampoo and conditioner, and I have oily hair. I have oily skin, I have oily hair. My hair is thick. I have a lot of hair on my head, and it is normally in between wavy and straight. It's not perfectly straight, but it's not really super wavy either. So just to give you an idea of what my hair is like. I like these, but I feel like they're a little bit too nourishing for my hair. Like, I need a pretty heavy duty cleaning shampoo in order to get all the oil out of my hair. I also use dry shampoo in between washes to extend the time I can go between washes. So I really need something super scrubby to get everything out. But these do make my hair look nice. Like, I think my hair looks pretty nice today. Like, it's behaving well. It's got a nice shine to it. You know, it looks like good, healthy hair. I know people who love the Evolve H products. They're just not, I think, quite the right thing for my hair type, but I do enjoy them, and I will definitely be using these again as my travel shampoo and conditioner because they do work very well. There are just other shampoos and conditioners that I've tried that I've liked a bit more. So, like, they're good, they get my hair clean, they suds up, but they're not as sudsy as the Beauty Counter or the Desert Essence or the True Botanicals. And for me, I really like really sudsy shampoos. This one from Evolve H just doesn't suds as much. And the conditioner works well, but I feel like I have to use a lot of conditioner to condition my hair. Especially for something that says Ultra Shine, I kind of expected it to be more conditioning than what it actually is. The other thing about the Evolve H shampoo and conditioners is they do have a pretty strong scent. And I think that's the other thing, that scent is just not my favorite scent for a shampoo or conditioner. I'm not even entirely sure how to describe the scent. It's not really fruity, it's not really floral, it's not really woodsy. It's just like, it's just a strong scent. The value of the Evolve Age shampoo and conditioner was $5 for the little sample size. Okay, and the final product is this Olverum bath oil, and the value of this is $13, and this is a blend of essential oils that you can add to your bath. And I have not used this yet or smelled it, so we're gonna smell this together. And unfortunately, I haven't been able to use it because, I'll tell you the tale while I'm trying to get into this package. So my husband and I live in an apartment building, and we took a shower the other day, and after we took a shower, we were brushing our teeth, and when we were brushing our teeth, I saw in the mirror this weird reflection, and I looked back at our shower, and the paint was like bulging. Like it had, above where our shower was, there were like bulging paint, like there had gotten water under the paint, and it caused it to like bulge out like a bubble, which was not good. And so we immediately called maintenance because, you know, with water damage, the sooner you deal with it, the better. And with a leak, we wanted to get it resolved, and we didn't want to get mold growing, all that good stuff. And so maintenance has been coming and like trying to figure out what the problem is exactly, because we live in a multi-story apartment building, so it could be our pipes, it could be the pipes of the people above us, it could be all sorts of different things. And so anyway, they keep coming and going, and because of that, they keep having to put ladders in our shower, which is also our bathtub, and so it keeps getting all dirty. And so in order to take a bath, bathtub has to be cleaned, and I haven't wanted to like do a good scrubbing of the bathtub yet to try out this oil because they keep coming and going and the problem is still not resolved yet. So until the problem is actually resolved, I don't want to do like a thorough deep cleaning of the bathtub. So hopefully by the October Petit Vour Box unboxing, I will no longer have a leak in our bathroom, and then I will actually be able to use our bath. But that's why this has not been tested yet. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, it smells really good. It actually kind of smells like men's cologne in a way. Yeah, definitely my dad has had a cologne at some point that has smelled like this, but I really like it. I think it'll be really nice. It does smell like it has a bit of eucalyptus in it because I can kind of feel that in the back of my throat. So it is a really lovely scent, and this came in a nice glass bottle. Like, I think this is a really pretty bottle. I think this is a sample size, but this is like a very nice, well-designed sample size. It says it's super concentrated, easily absorbed oil. You add half a capful to your bath or massage into your torso for a shower. I got the list of oils. There's Siberian fir, ground nut. I don't know exactly which ground nut. Lavender, eucalyptus, I could definitely smell that. Lemon, rosemary, verbena, lime, juniper, and geranium flower. I think it's that fir that's giving it kind of a muskier scent. But yeah, this seems really nice, so I'm excited to try this out as well. I've been trying to take more baths in general because it's a good way that forces me to relax, and I think this oil will be a really nice addition to my baths. Overall, I am really impressed by this box this month. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really liking it. The overall value of this box is $46, which is pretty great considering the price of a subscription is $18, so definitely a good value. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my review of the August Petit Vour Box. First off, I have to talk about the Audacity Black Mint Cleanser. I have really been liking this. Like, I really like this cleanser. I really like how refreshing it is with the mint. I like the addition of the charcoal. I think it's just a really lovely cleanser. Honestly, I would repurchase this cleanser, except I have a lot of cleansers at the moment. Somehow I've just accumulated a lot of cleansers, but this is definitely one that I would be interested in purchasing in the future. I have been using it all throughout the month, and I still have some left in here, so I'm going to continue using it, but I really have liked it. It definitely has been a great cleanser. It's a really lovely experience using it. The scent is very lovely, and my skin seems to like it, so all good things for a cleanser. And I realized too, I actually probably should have put that in my August favorites, but I didn't think about it until after I already filmed it, but definitely really been liking it. It probably should have been in that video. This is the Formulary 55 Sea Clay Body Mask. So this was the mask, the clay mask that you can use on your neck and your décolleté. I have tried this out. I actually put it on while I was taking a bath, which wasn't the best idea because then I ended up having the mask on too long and then it got really drying and a little bit uncomfortable. So I wouldn't recommend putting it on while you're taking a bath, or at least maybe towards the end of your bath. I don't know, something like that, but trying to keep it on the whole time you're taking a bath was not a good idea. It's fine. I just don't really like clay masks. It's back to that same problem where I don't enjoy mixing them. I just think they're a little bit of a hassle. They're kind of messy, and it did get drying on me, which tends to be what happens with clay masks. So it's okay, but just not my favorite. I still have this Saint Tropica hair mask. I haven't used this one because I'm going to be passing it on to my friend. I have used the Saint Tropica hair mask in the past, but because my hair is just, it's too much too conditioning for my hair type. That's kind of the way it is. But if you have dry hair or really want like a super conditioning hair mask, this is great. Coconut oil really is a fantastic hair mask. A lot of my friends that have drier hair are always talking about coconut oil as the way to go. So this definitely is a good product. It's just not quite the right product for my hair type. The last product we got in the August Petit Vour box was the Eye of Horus brow pencil. And that is the only product I have in my brows right now, and I really have been liking it. I'm really impressed by this brow pencil. It's a little bit more of an expensive price point. I think it's around $25, but it's really good. I believe the shade name of the one I have is the shade Dynasty, which I think works really well with my brow and my hair color. What I've been liking about it is the tip of it is just so fine. Like, you can get such fine hair-like strokes, and there are very few brow definers that I found that, other than, you know, something like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer, that are actually that fine. Like, this is a micro brow tip. So if you're looking for something like that, this is definitely a great way to go. I found it to be very long wearing. You know, if I go to the gym and I have this product on, my brows aren't sweating, they aren't moving, it's staying in place. It's wearing well throughout the day. I also find it pretty easy to blend out. So if you get too much in one spot, you can use the spoolie on this end and kind of blend everything out. So overall, it's high performing. I definitely been enjoying this and will continue using it. I haven't used it up yet, but I will continue using it. Yeah, so overall last month, I really liked the face cleanser and also the brow pencil. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my review of the August Petit Vour box and my unboxing of the September Petit Vour box. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of these two boxes. I was sent these boxes by Petit Vour. I will always give you my honest opinions about the products in these boxes, and if you choose to shop any of the links down below, those are affiliate links. And that really just does help support Naturally Beautiful Girl and keep my channel running. So if you're interested in signing up for Petit Vour, if you do so through my link, it really does help me out. Or if you want to shop through Petit Vour and use my link, that also really helps. It's a great way to support me if you'd like to do that. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. Also check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!